coming from. All right? You know, brothers that's in a relationship, you gotta worry about, you know, your rib. You know, those are the burdens of men. You know what I mean? Cast that away, man. Try to put off the weak nature, man. And come out and tell the people that they're the real 12 tribes of Israel, man. All right? Thus saith the Lord. Y'all not the daughters of Zion. Put off now the weak nature. Put off now the weak nature, man. And our people got a lot of weak nature here in Babylon. Babylon made our people sweet, man. Brothers got so comfortable they started wearing slippers outside. House slippers outside, bro. Crocs. I hate Crocs, man. I don't care, bro. I hate Crocs. You know what I mean? Second Esdras 14 and 15. And set aside the thoughts that are most heavy unto thee, and haste thee to flee from these times. Haste thee to flee from these times, man. Basically, come out of her, my people. All right? Micah 2 and 10. Come out of her, my people, man. Come out of her, my people, bro. Don't follow the ways of Babylon. Babylon will fall, man. All right, thus saith the Lord. All right, brother, you know. Okay. You know where the 12 tribes, right? You know where the 12 tribes? Are you familiar with the 12 tribes?
Actually, you know how the rapture is going to be done. The rapture. Yeah, there's two resurrections coming up. Two resurrections. This is better than this. You're not telling anybody. I don't know, heaven. You want to heaven. Up there. In this, what they call it. The 10th century of, oh my God.
This is John. We'll read this real quick. This is John 1 and 51.
John 3?
And he saith unto him, Verily, I say unto you hereafter, ye shall see heaven open, and the angels shall the messengers
What book is that?
of the Most High.
What book is that? What book?
The Bible.
No, the book you're reading.
The Bible. It's John. John
3 verse 16, what is that? John 3 verse 16.
All right,
That's soul of the wall.
one at a time.
Soul of the wall. Soul of the wall.
The Lord of Israel.
That he has given you so you can stop. So believe. Do not bet.
This is why a lot of our people are still blinded, bro. A lot of our people, they're still blinded, brother. And that's what Christianity do to our people, man. Turn them into old fools, man. All right? This is not a serious. You're laughing, man. It ain't gonna be a joke, man. It's not a joke, bro. All right? An old fool, bro. All right? All right? And you ain't grew up in the Word, man. You ain't grew up in the Word, bro. All right? This is John 1 and 51. And he saith unto him, Verily, verily I say unto you, hereafter ye shall see heaven open, and the angels of the Most High ascending and descending upon the Son of Man. All right? All right? Ascending, going up, and descending, coming back down. All right? And that's what's going to happen, man. Okay? In the last days, man. Because this place is finished, bro. Babylon is going to fall. All right? Thus saith the Lord, man. All right? I should have known that he had a coon spirit, man. Brother had no beard on his face. Nothing, bro. He looked like a big coon, bro. I had a feeling he had a spirit of a coon, but I'm like, no, that's the spirit, though, you know? This is Jeremiah 3 and 15. And I will give you passes according to my heart. Passes according to his heart. All right, according to the Most High's love, man. All right, that damn fool that he ain't gonna teach you a damn thing, man. But but your Father, man. All right? Pastors according to my heart, which shall feed you with knowledge and understanding. Which shall feed you with knowledge and understanding, man. All right? And that's one of the one scriptures that they go to. Is John 3:16. All right? Okay? What about this? What about this? You went to John 3:16. All right, okay. Let's get there. Okay? This is John 3:16. For the Most High loved the world, right? That he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth on him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. Have everlasting life, man. All right? Which that's talking about the children of Israel, the Israelites, man. Okay? Let me get Acts 2:21. Let me show you who that's whosoever, because they be really like, you know, stuck on that whosoever. All right? This is Acts 2:21. And it shall come to pass that whosoever shall call on the name of the Lord shall be saved. But what is the name of the Lord? What's his real name? His real name is not Jehovah, and his real name is not God. So what's his real name? His real name is Yahweh with a Y. Okay? All right? This is Acts 2:22. Ye men of Israel, ye men of Israel. Throughout the whole Bible, it's talking about the Israelites. So why would they include the other heathen nations? If the promises and the covenant is to Israel, the 12 tribes of Israel. Okay? Why would the Most High change? The Most High don't change. Okay? He don't change who he has chosen. He said, Israel, I'm gonna get it. This is Acts 2:22. Ye men of Israel, hear these words. All right? Yahushua of Nazareth, okay? Now Yahushua was born in Bethlehem, but when he came back, remember when he came back from Egypt with his mother and his father Joseph and Mary, they settled in a land, they settled in an area called Nazareth. All right, so the prophecy will be fulfilled that he will be a Nazarene, okay, a Nazarite, okay. He's an Israelite, but he's from that town, Nazareth, okay. So you have to understand. That's why it says Yahushua of Nazareth, okay. A man approved of the Most High, a man approved of the Most High, man. And there's not too much people that's approved of the Most High, okay. Among you by miracles and wonders and signs, which the Most High did by him in the midst of you, as ye yourselves also know. As ye yourselves also know. And we also know, all right, brother, we also know all the miracles that he did, man. Thus saith the Lord, man. Because we are witnesses of him, man. That he's going to come back for the 12 tribes of Israel, man. The Israelites, man. The real Jews, man. All right? It's time to wake up, bro. A lot of our brothers, they need to wake up, man. All right? This is, you got another scripture. Okay? You'll see if the Lord. Come. This is John 17 and 9. I pray for them. I pray not for the world. Now you say you pray for them. You pray not for the world. Now why would Yahweh not pray for the world, man? Okay, because remember, the Most High said the wisdom of this world is foolishness with the Most High, man. Okay? Alright? The wisdom of this world is foolishness. What world are you talking about? There's different worlds, man. Alright? A government. Alright, thus saith the Lord. This is John 17 and 9. I pray for them. I pray not for the world. But for them which thou hast given me, or you see, for them which thou hast given him. It's only the elect. The 144,000 is Israel. That's another cut too. The 144,000 is Israel. You know? Shall be saved. Alright? John 17 and 9. But for them which thou hast given me, for they are died. They are died. Yeah, they are of the Most High, man. All right, let's get into 144,000. All right. This is revelation. And revelation means to reveal. So 7 and 1. And after these things, I saw 4 angels sitting on the 4 corners of the earth, holding the 4 winds of the earth, man. And that 4 winds of the earth represents to hold back the nuclear missiles that's coming during World War III. All right? Thus saith the Lord. Holding the 4 winds of the earth, that the wind should not blow on the earth, Okay? Nor on the sea, nor on the tree, or any tree. That's why they have a lot of UFO sightings, man. A lot of UFO sightings. All right, that's going on. In fact, they said that that's spiritual because they said that they had discovered 144 UFO sightings. All right, and that's the spirit I'm going into, the 144,000. All right, this is Revelation 7 and 2. And revelation means to reveal. Revelation 7 and 2. And I saw another angels ascending from the east. All right, and the word angel just means a messenger. Like we're angels too. We're messengers of the Most High. Just like Malachi. Malachi's name means messenger of the Most High. All right, messenger of God. This is Revelation 7 and 2. And I saw another angel ascending from the east, having the seal of the living power. And he cried with a loud voice to the 4 angels to whom it was given to hurt the earth. You see? Given to hurt the earth. What's going to hurt the earth? The nuclear missiles. All right? Just like they have nuclear missiles dropping down in Ukraine with the war that's going on with Ukraine and Russia. All right? Thus saith the Lord, man. Okay? Given to hurt the earth and the sea. Revelation. What? Okay, come. Revelations 7 and 3, saying, hurt not the earth, neither the sea. Okay? Nor the trees till we have sealed the servants of our power. The servants, man. The servants, man. We serve the Most High, man. While we coming out here and warning the people, all right, keeping the law, statutes, and commandments through our best ability, we are serving the Most High. I mean, you see, the ones that serve the Most High. Does everybody serve the Most High? No. So everybody's not going to be saved. All right, thus saith the Lord, man. It's either you're on this side or not. All right? It's not hard. It's not difficult. This is Revelations 7 and 4. 7 and 3. Saying, hurt not the earth, neither the sea, nor the trees till we have sealed the servants of our power in their foreheads. Man. Okay? So so-called white man, he has the mark of the beast, the RFID chip. All right? The Most High, he has his mark. The ones that serving him. The The one that's not gonna give in these last days, man. That's not gonna sell out like your wicked pastor. All right? Like Kyrie Irving sold out. Okay? All right, bro. All right. Yeah, Kyrie Irving's apologizing 5-6 times, bro. Now Nick Cannon apologized 5-6 times too. You know? They're the real gangsters. All right, real wicked. This is Revelation 7:4. And I heard the number of them which were sealed. All right, which were sealed. All right? These are the numbers that are sealed, man. Sealed under the power of Yahweh B'Shem Yahushua. And there were sealed 144,000 of all the tribes of the children of Israel. The children of Israel, man. All right? Who is the children of Israel? 12 tribes. So-called blacks, so-called Hispanics, and so-called Native Americans. They make up the 12 tribes of Israel. All right, thus saith the Lord, man. Okay? The 12 tribes of Israel. All right? Revelation 7:5. Of the tribe of Judah was sealed 12,000. All right? The tribe of Judah. That's where the word Jew comes from. Judah, so-called Negroes. Okay? Judah, the Jews. All right? Because the original people that used to live in that land were our skin tone. Okay? Matter of fact, the Savior is our skin tone. He got that melanin, you know? He got that melanin. He's not a so-called white man. Okay? And that's the truth of the Bible. If the Bible said that he was a white man, we would have said he was a white man. But the Bible said that he's a dark-skinned man with white woolly hair. That's how the Bible, that's the description of our Savior. Understand? This is for truth's sake. And you shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. John 8:32. All right? This is Revelation 7:5. Of the tribe of Judah were sealed 12,000. Of the tribe of Reuben were sealed 12,000, which is the North American Indians. Of the tribe of Gad were sealed 12,000. Okay, let me see if I'm right. The freaks here, man. The tribe of Reuben is Seminole Indians. The tribe of Gad is the North American Indians. All right, but out of each tribe was sealed 12,000. Understand? And when you put all those numbers together, is 144,000 that are sealed. That's gonna be saved in these last days. All right, King. All right, brother. All right, know that you an Israelite. All right. Don't take that mark of the beast. Don't sell out, bro. Don't take no All right.